How big is the solar system? Relative planet sizes. Exact size comparison of all planets. The Sun, 109 times bigger than Earth's diameter. Mercury, 0.38 times smaller than Earth's diameter. Venus, 0.95 times smaller than Earth's diameter. Earth, diameter 7,918 miles, 12,742 kilometers. Mars, 0.53 times smaller than Earth's diameter. Jupiter, 11 times bigger than Earth's diameter. Saturn, 9.4 times bigger than Earth's diameter. Uranus, 4 times bigger than Earth's diameter. Neptune, 4 times bigger than Earth's diameter. Pluto, 0.18 times smaller than Earth's diameter. An astronomical unit AU is the distance between the Sun and the Earth is this. Now we created a model of solar system and explain how it works. Let's start. As you all can see, all the planets have started circling in their own orbit. Mercury has completed its first cycle. The closer the planet becomes to the Sun, the more speed it completes its work in the orbit. First cycle of Venus is completed, while 2.45 cycles of Mercury have been completed. The first cycle of our Earth has been completed, while 1.65 rounds of Venus and 4 rounds of Mercury have been completed. In the same way, all the planets kept on completing their rotation. All the planets revolve around Sun and continue to revolve on their own radius. As you all can see, the further away the planets are from the Sun, the slower they are brought in their orbit. The rotation of the Earth in its own radius makes a day, and the rotation of the Sun in a year. We have do a lot of effort to make this model and explain it. So please like and subscribe our channel to support us, and also press bell icon to get notifications for new informative videos. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.